just wanted to let you see that.
Yeah, no, thank you.
No problem, man.
I mean, hopefully it's something that we can go back and just have them
Mm-hmm.
do.
Yeah,
If
for
there's
sure.
a little more play, and it's a city-owned house and the private seller who really doesn't care.
Yeah, exactly. But as you can see, this line is pitched really well. They did a great job pitching this. I looked at all those connections as I came down.
Yeah.
No water whatsoever. I finally got this camera out of the shop. This thing's always in the shop. It's my newest camera. I have two of these, and this one's self-leveling. It's got all this special shit, and you can't keep it out of the shop, man.
More special shit, the more things to break.
Yeah, it's got this new monitor's got Wi-Fi and everything.
I was gonna say the monitor looks great.
Oh, it's
Super clear.
yeah, it's unbelievable how far these things have come. That's why I wouldn't have anything except Rigid Tool.
Yeah.
Not for this. It's just too good. Except they can't make a guide.
I was gonna say the guide seems to
Dude.
to not really set.
I mean, look at the guide. Look how big the guide is.
Yeah.
Do you take your stuff out and test it in the real world, or
No.
there's
Just
your
on the
answer?
computer.
That's right. There's your answer. Yep, it is what it is, brother. Pretty fucking clear, isn't it?
Yeah. Insane.
It's all HD, you know. And this camera has something really special.